This video will show you how to install a USB drive. With the Turk Tuner, you can record your favorite programs and also time shift a program you are watching. To use these features, you will need to connect a USB drive as a recording device into the HD Digital TV Tuner. First, insert the USB drive into the USB connector on the front of the tuner. Next, you need to configure the USB drive. Press Menu on the remote and use the right arrow button to highlight the Setup icon. Next, highlight PVR Configure and press OK. Then highlight Record Device and press OK. For additional information on how to connect and use your HD Digital TV Tuner, review the setup guide that came with the tuner. The next step is to watch the video called How to Record Programs to record your favorite shows.